एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा गांव, ये पूरी वैली, ये पूरी की पूरी वैली, ये पूरी की पूरी वैली यहाँ पे खेती है और बहुत ही सुंदर से खेत हैं। और एक मज़ेदार सी चीज़ हो रही है कि वहाँ पे नीचे पता नहीं दिख रहा है कि नहीं, ये एग्जैक्टली वहाँ पे एक शादी हो रही है और आपको दिखेगा ढेर सारे वहाँ लोग खड़े हुए। आई डोंट नो वेयर एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू सी। यहाँ पे शादी हो रही है, लोग जुटे हुए हैं, वहाँ पे पंडाल लगा हुआ है और अभी बहुत ही बढ़िया गढ़वाली गाने चल रहे थे यहाँ पे। पूरा का पूरा जो वैली है, दिस इज ब्रेथ टेकिंगली ब्यूटीफुल। इट लुक्स लाइक स्विट्ज़रलैंड, या शायद मुझे कंपैरिजन ही नहीं करना चाहिए किसी भी लैंड से। ये अपने आप में एक्सक्लूसिव सी जगह है और ये खेत, ये खूबसूरती, वाह, सिंपली अमेजिंग। वहाँ एक छोटा सा मंदिर दिख रहा है टॉप पे, पता नहीं इसमें आएगा। यहाँ पे वो शादी वाले लोग शायद। Yeah, sure. So here I am in the wilderness of उत्तरांचल और अचानक से मुझे एक ऐसी शख्सियत मिली जिसको देख करके आप सबको काफ़ी हैरत भी होगी, मुझे भी हुई हल्की सी, लेकिन जिस तरह का अध्यात्म है इस देश का, वहाँ पे ऐसी बातें अक्सर होती रहती हैं। तो मैं आपको प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ एक ऐसे व्यक्ति को जो हमें जाते हुए मिले थे रास्ते में और हमें क्यूरियोसिटी थोड़ी सी हुई और हमने इनको देखने की कोशिश की और मैं आपसे भी बात कर रहा था। Hello sir. Hariom, Hariom, Hariom. So what's your name, if you can?
My name is Flo.
Flo, and you're from?
I'm from Austria in Europe.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. So you went to Jamunotri first.
First Jamunotri.
You had your darshan and everything.
Yes.
And then you are going to?
Jamuna Jal.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. And now you are heading for Gangotri ji.
Now I'm heading to Gangotri. Yeah.
And after that you'll go to Kedarnath and Badrinath also?
Yes, my plan is to mix this commander with Gangotri Jal.
Okay.
Jal from Gangotri, and then put it on the Jyotirling in
Kedarnath ji. Acha, okay.
And then proceed towards Badrinath.
You know, it's a very big question for us Indians, in fact, that how come people from European countries, because I have been to Austria, I have lived in Austria for 15 days. Yes, I've been to Melk, Vienna and all those places. So it is a great question for all of us, in fact, that how come the youngsters from there, in fact, like those who we believe that they are Westerners and they are totally indulged in the modern life that they have, how do they connect to the Indian ethos and the...
See, for me it happened, and I think it's many times like this. There is this, of course it's like a fully economic development country.
Yeah.
But at the same time there's another generation going back to the roots, or how you want to call it. And I personally was situated in that kind of branch, or how you want to call it, like being vegetarian and looking for the environment and those kind of things.
Right.
And then suddenly for me opened the spiritual path.
Okay. So did it happen through somebody, or you just searched it yourself?
No, actually you've been to Austria, so you
Yes.
know about it. My family is non-veg. I've been non-veg.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot of alcohol and cigarettes. So
Right,
Europe
right.
is actually
Yeah,
adar,
yeah.
no dar.
Yeah.
So, but it suddenly came to me, and then it started with meditation. I went to yoga. From yoga I came to the Gita, and from the Gita I came to the Upanishads. And
So were you influenced by any guru in India or any Babaji in India, or you just did it yourself?
no, actually I'm already 4 years touring India.
For 4 years?
For 4 years, not continuously, but
You go and then you come back?
2007.
Okay, okay. So when you go back, what do you do? Do you join back the life again, or you live the way you live here in India?
No, actually, there's something called Tyag. You know about
Yeah,
Tyag?
yes.
So it's a very, very good practice actually to
Yeah.
be in Europe, but to try to keep this spirit up.
Right.
To be non-attached. Like you go back to Europe, you enjoy your hot shower, or you take your hot shower.
Yes.
But then you're out again and
Right.
going all by foot and
Right.
taking snan in the
Right.
freezing cold
Right,
Ganga at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Right.
So of course my family is there, and I kind of have to adapt
Right.
to the European.
So how does your family react to that? Because it's very unusual, isn't it?
They don't understand completely.
Yes.
and, you know, I cook
Right.
for myself. I cook separate. I use separate pots. I don't use the same spoon than they do because they eat non-veg.
Right.
So it's like,
I understand that. Have you been to Varanasi, by the way?
no, I haven't been to
You
Varanasi.
should definitely. You understand what is the significance of Varanasi in spirituality and all.
Yeah. I know about it, so I will definitely go.
Yes, and I give me permission to invite you there. And I know like, you are a heretic, so like I offered you to go along with your son, and you said that no, I'll walk down, and it might take you days and it might take you a lot of time, but so I respect that. I respect that feeling, but I would be wanting you to see that side of spirituality which is related to occult, which is related to life and death, and that's a city which celebrates death. That's the
Yeah.
only city in the world that celebrates death. So again, the land of Shiva, right? And I'm sure, in fact, it must be in your itinerary to someday be there.
Yeah,
Yes,
definitely. It's on. You know, I don't make plans. It's
Okay, it just
as
happens.
it's going.
Yeah.
Now I have an invitation to Varanasi. so
Yeah, sure.
now
100%.
it went
100%.
up on the list.
No, 100% up, and let us know if you need anything. We could do something for you. Treat us as friends. And this is most beautiful thing about the world is that, which I like. I have traveled to the whole world. I have traveled to almost 50 countries worldwide, and the entire Europe. And what I feel that what brings people together is travel, and not just travel as a tourist, but travel as a traveler. Traveler as a person, a seeker, not a believer, but a seeker. So when I seek, I really find that something was very good in Austria also, something was very good in Poland also, something was very, very good in Slovenia as well. So I really take those things, in fact, but definitely you are one step or maybe 10 steps ahead of us, who's practicing the reality, the word that you used. What is that? Satya and something else you said.
Yeah.
Tyag. So Tyag is, I think, the ultimate level of any kind of existence.
I think we should
Yes.
try, yeah, especially in those days where we can have everything,
Yeah.
because everything is available.
Oh yes, sir.
You
Definitely.
go to a store and of course you need money or some, but it's here.
Oh yeah, it is here. It is here.
So it's good to practice, like I can have it, or
Yes.
it's offered to me, but I go simple ways.
Wonderful. This is so much assuring that the world is one. This is so much assuring that in this pandemic times when the flights are off and everything, in fact, I am finding an Austrian in the beautiful and blissful land of the Himalayas and Uttarakhand. And this is so much assuring that all of us should take lessons from not only you, but from every such person who has learned something and is activating in his life. So I again invite you, sir, in our holy land of Varanasi, whenever you are there, and I'll be very happy to be with you and to show you the other side of spirituality. Thank you so much. मैंने सारी बात उनसे की, और यहाँ पे ये भी देखना पड़ेगा कि इनका चलने से कितना पैर में चोटें पहुँची हैं, काफ़ी हर्ट हुआ है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद इनका रिजॉल्व बहुत बढ़िया है। उन्होंने अपनी चप्पल बदल दी इसके लिए, लेकिन और हमने इनको ऑफर भी किया कि आप हमारे साथ जहाँ तक हम जा रहे हैं चलिए, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, ये पैदल ही चल के गंगोत्री जाएंगे। ये एक रिजॉल्व दिखाता है कि अगर रिजॉल्व जैसी कोई चीज़ आपके साथ हो तो डेफिनेटली आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों को अच्छे से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं।